cannot believe this shit. This whore is here every day wanting a gift. And there they go. Fucking. You're a whore, bird. This isn't the red light district. You're a whore. Look at this. Fuck. Fly away. Fuck. Fly away. Dirty slut. Ugh. Makes me sick. Oh. She wants some more. There you go. Give it to her. You all out of juice? You all out of juice? She needs some more. She's a nympho. Look, she's putting her ass up. Oh, she's gone. She's done. Thank you for your service.